Hi everybody, welcome to a new tutorial from Sound for More. It's Leo speaking. Today I'm going to show you how you can use scenes and in conjunction with rhythm pattern, with arpeggio as well, with scene remain and also with layering tones. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. Okay, the first thing I want to do is press on the menu button, go on the system, go under general and then ensure down at the bottom here that scene remain is on. Remember, when you have scene remain on, it will allow this moving transition from one scene to the next, but only for the first 8 zones. Okay, so with that with that scene selected, we also make sure to press zone 1 so that is active. We press zone view and we can see we have that acoustic pop piano 1 selected, which is fine. I'm going to keep there. So I press right, scene, then I change the name, rename, clear all, and I'm going to call these SFM1, press OK, OK, and OK again. Okay, now let's rewrite this scene again, but change the destination slot to D002, rename these to something like backspace to SFM2, OK, OK, and OK. Right, okay, so we have now a second scene, which is a copy of the first one. So we go to zone view, we have zone 1 active, we're going to activate also zone 2 as well. Okay, we go to zone 2 and what we are going to do is we are going to actually select, why not, let's try maybe a pad, enter, yes, and we go for the orchestra, press OK. And what we're going to do here, we're going also to change the upper range, okay, so that it goes only to this B key here, okay, B3, so shift B3, and we limit that so we don't have this orchestra playing upwards. So we have therefore 2 tones layered, okay, the acoustic pop piano in zone 1, the orchestra in zone 2. Zone 2 has been also restricted to go from C to B3 as well. We're going to also to change slightly the volume, lower it a little bit like that. Okay, then so we are going to save this. So press right, scene, same slot, OK, OK, and it's done. We're going to repeat the write process now again to scene number 3 or slot number 2, rename it, and again call these something like SFM3 and press OK and OK and OK. Now so what we have done so far is we created 3 scenes which are a copy of each other but with modification. Now on the third scene we are going to press zone view again. So what we're going to do here, we go to the next zone 3, we activate that as well. We're going to select effect here, press enter, and we're going to choose, let's go to pulsating, and then let's see what else we can find here. Let's choose an interesting one. Let's try. Let's search for modulation, press OK. Let's see what we find here. Okay, let's choose that one and press OK. We limit also the upper range as well. So where it says G9, shift B3. So we have now the P5 modulation on zone 3 on the lower range below C4, the same for zone 2 where we have this orchestra. Okay, so we are going to save these again. So going to write just in case so that we don't lose anything. So we're going to write that again, but I'm going to add a little bit more to it actually. So let's go to zone 4 and activate that as well. And we activate also the arpeggio on this one. and we're going to press enter to choose something like a bass. Let's see this bass here, press OK, maybe variation number 1. We'll see what it sounds like in a moment. And we're going to choose a category bass there, press enter. We're going to synth bass. Let's search for something like AMG, press OK. You go for this fat MG bass, press OK. So let's listen. Oops, I have not selected Arpeggio here, so let's activate the Arpeggio on zone 4 and remove it for the ARP setting for zone 1. Okay. Also, let's limit the bass as well to be free. Okay, let's try. Okay, that sounds interesting. It's just a bit of a test. Then now on this, we are going also to activate the pattern. So we go to rhythm pattern. Okay, we are going to select, instead of zone 10, we are going to select zone 8. We're going to ensure that it is on verse 1, and we activate key trigger. We adjust the volume down, something like that. We'll see what it sounds like. Press exit there, and then we go to zone A, and we need to select a drum kit for that. Otherwise, it will play the rhythm pattern against an acoustic piano. So we just press the drums here, and we've done. We go back to the pop piano 1 on zone 1, and we press write scene, and we write on itself. So if everything has been done correctly, I will be moving from a piano on the first scene to a second scene, whereas a piano and a pad, and then we move into the third scene, where we have additionally some effects, an arpeggio which is driving a bass, and also a rhythm pattern which will start automatically. And we'll have, of course, scene as move scene transition from one scene to the next. So let's jump with it and let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, it's just an example of how you can create different scenes and how you can move from one scene to the next using scene remains, so in a smooth way. You notice that during the performance, I also adjusted a little bit the levels of some of the zone, which of course I could have done and then saved against the particular scene. Okay, I'm going to stop here. I hope you found the tutorial interesting. Certainly you can use it to program something for live, and then you can move from one scene to another as you are performing in front of your audience. Okay, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.